Babe, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We have a lot of to do today. It's Vlogmas!
But first, let's make a coffee.
Come on, it's Vlogmas!
Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Orsi and this is the Endless Treasure. We are a full-time reseller couple based in UK. Just want to show you some things. I went to the market last week and I came back again with a huge bag of toys and collectible stuff. So I just want to show you very quickly what I bought and how much I paid for them. I paid for the whole bag £24, I think. I paid £20 around 15 or 20 plushies. So the first one is this small Build-A-Bear reindeer, probably sell around 10 to 15 pound. We have here Ras delicious chocolate small teddy bear with the original tag. Unfortunately, I can't smell anymore the chocolate, but I think should sold for 10 pound. We have here a basic teddy bear with a rainbow bow. I think probably 10 pound. We have a 2013 Hasbro My Little Pony all day long going for 10 to 12 quid. We have a tiny Miss Piggy Disney plushie, which we sold a similar one 2 days ago, so that's why we bought it, probably 10 to 12 pound. We have again an Alton Tower white teddy bear in outfit, probably we can get for 10 pound for it. We have a Lalaloopsy Build-A-Bear outfit. It's a cute dress. I think we can sell separately, maybe for 10 pound free postage, but it's very cute. We have here a Disney Stampede Goofy. Normally we don't buy the main characters, only if they have something special outfit or a Stampede one, and that's why we bought Goofy, because he has a stamp. Probably again a 10 pound mark. We have an Richard Lang and Son Limited. It's a donkey, I think. It looks like a realistic donkey, so every time they are going very well for us. Probably 15 to 20 pound. We have a Shrek donkey here. We bought it because we just sold yesterday or before yesterday for around 20 pound. So that's why we bought him. And this time of the year the Shrek stuff going very well. So I think it's a 15 to 20 pound item. And also we have a small Three Kings Eeyore soft toy, which we sold again yesterday or before yesterday. so it's nice to have in the shop again. And we have a Star Wars 2012 Yoda, I think. I'm not sure, I'm not familiar with Star Wars stuff. Probably we can get £10 for it.
Do or do not. There is no try. Judge me by my size, do you? When 900 years old you reach, look as good you will not. Size matches that. Concentrate. Feel the force. Yes.
And we have a Boots Bugs Bunny soft toy. I think last year we bought a big bundle of Boots Looney Tunes soft toys for £40, and we made around 20 bundles from them, because each character, from each characters we have around 10 of them. So we made so much money on that bundle, so that's why we bought, because I think we can sell very fast this item. And for the next lot we paid at, I think, £4. We have a Cuddles Time realistic cat. Like I said before, realistic soft toy is always going very well for us, so I think we can get for this cat maybe £20. Also we have here a Chadwali cute little teddy bear, which is working because it's an electronic toy. It's working, just we have to change the battery. I think we can sell maybe 20 to £25. Also we have here Timid Time Odd One 2010 little collectible toy. I don't know what is it, and I'm already checked on eBay, and this small collectible figure is going around for £15 mark. And also have here a Polaroid camera, which is going around for £20 on eBay. Has small marks on that, but it's working and very good condition. So yeah, this is the whole what I bought today, and I just starting now to clean. I think I don't really have to clean them, so I can start just photograph them, because we want to do schedule listing as much as we can, because like we said, we don't want to do so much listings next week and within Christmas, so we just want to go to the storage unit and packaging the orders. And now I just want to share with you the sales which we made yesterday afternoon and today morning so far. So yesterday we sold a vintage hand-blown art glass ornament for £8 plus postage, an Arctic Wolves 1000 pieces puzzle for £9.99 free postage. Also we sold a Peter Pan Tinkerbell Disney soft toy for £12.99 free postage, and a Sleepy Olex soft toy for £12.96 free postage. And yesterday we sold a Sony PS3 remote control for £30 plus postage, which they paid today morning. And today morning we sold as well Wallace and Gromit in plain limited edition collectible soft plush toy for £45 plus postage, and also sold a Lakeland coffee machine for £12 plus postage, which is waiting for payment. So yesterday we made 50 or 60 pound which is not great but still something. And today so far we made 66 pound, and also we sold on Depop Hello Kitty plush, I think around for 10 pound, but I'm not sure. And I forget to mention, yesterday we sold one lamp again on Etsy for 35 pound, I think. So yeah, hopefully today is gonna be better than yesterday. So I think this is it for today, guys. If you are new on the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram as well, DJRU77. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye.